A kit is available to replace a capable control spark module with one made by Fenwal. The spark modules are horizontally mounted under the controllers. Remove components impeding access to the modules, such as this jib reset switch. Remove the covers. Remove the controller bezel and lower the controller. Use an 11/32 wrench to loosen the nuts securing the spark module box to the control box. Lower the spark module. Remove the spark module connection from the interface board and thread it through the control box. Remove the sense wire, ignition wire, and gas valve harness. Position the wires on the Fenwal module. Use the wiring diagram provided with the Fenwal kit. Route the wires through the control box as necessary. Reposition the new module under the control box and replace the cover. See the video on checking microamp output and adjust the new fryer to the new module's UA output requirement, 1.7 through 3.0.